Over the period of 2021, the non-fungible token (NFT) market has evolved into a key sector of the crypto market, with total spending on NFT topping $12.6 billion, up from $162.4 million just at beginning of the year and expected to increase much more in 2022. Everybody is speaking about launching their own NFT, from individuals to well-known companies. However, it's not that all NFT are created equal. Some may be extremely valuable, while others are useless. While Ethereum is used to generate, buy, and sell the vast majority of NFT, hefty gas fees may make the task prohibitively expensive. To offset these expenses, most investors and developers simply try selling their NFT on secondary markets like OpenSea as well as profit. However, there seem to be a variety of ways to profit from NFT other than selling them for much more than you paid or generated them for. Read the article to know how you can make money with NFT in 2022. What are NFT? NFT originally stood for non-fungible token. That also tends to mean there's a completely unique, as well as non-interchangeable unit of information saved on a digital ledger that seems to be using blockchain technology to build proof of ownership hidden within these quirky pieces of art. NFT are collectible digital assets with monetary worth, similar to how real art has monetary value. NFT are indeed a lot like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. An NFT, on the other hand, is fully unique and cannot be traded like for like, which is where the term non-fungible comes into effect. The file contains additional data that raises it above the domain of plain currency and then into the world of, well, everything. Anything that can be easily reproduced in the form of a digital file, such as photography, art, music, films, tweets, and sometimes even memes, could be kept as an NFT for identifying the original copy. NFT can be made out of nearly any unique item which can be digitally saved and has value. They're similar to just about any other collector's thing, such as an artwork or a classic action figure, only you're investing for a file as well as documentation that you still own original copy rather than a physical thing. How do you make an NFT? Surprisingly, generating an NFT isn't difficult, and there are resources available to help you through the process. A specific blockchain is used to create and support NFT, with Ethereum NFT being one of the most common. Flow as well as Binance, in addition to Ethereum, are often used for their development. To transact, you'll need to have a crypto wallet, as well as cryptocurrency, primarily Ethereum. Smart contracts can be used to sell NFT for cryptocurrency or fiat money, as well as the transaction is documented on a blockchain. Ways to make money with NFT in 2022. If you've ever wondered how people make a living with NFT, you'll be relieved to learn that there are various options. Take a look at some of these methods that have proved effective. 1. Earning from fashion NFT. NFT handle authenticity concerns therefore prevent the potential of counterfeits in the same manner that artwork does. Clothing and fashion companies have started taking advantage of the NFT trend by creating a digital limited edition of their clothes featuring a collection of legendary celebrity items or design signatures. Fashion and clothing firms can also benefit from NFT development by developing an NFT marketplace for their apparel and accessories. It allows people to earn a limitless amount of money from NFT in a secure and safe atmosphere. 2. NFT can be rented out. Renting out your NFT, especially ones that are extremely popular, is one way of generating passive income. Certain card trading games, for example, allow the user to borrow NFT cards to increase their likelihood of victory. Smart contracts manage the parameters of the arrangement between both the parties engaged as intended. As a result, NFT users typically have the choice to choose their chosen rental agreement period, as well as NFT leasing rate. NFT is an outstanding example of a platform that enables people to rent or lend NFT. This gives lenders the ability to establish maximum borrowing durations, as well as daily rates that presently vary from 0.002 to 2 wrapped Ethereum (WEF) on average. 3. Making money with NFT royalties. NFT developers can specify conditions that impose royalty costs anytime their NFT fall into the wrong hands on the secondary marketplace. Kudos to the technology involved that powers them. In simple words, however, after selling their creations to collectors, the makers can earn an additional income. They will be able to receive a part of the NFT's sales price continuously if they do so. For example, if a virtual artwork's royalty is fixed at 10%, the original developer would earn 10% of the total sale price every time the piece of art is resold to a new buyer. It's worth noting that all these predefined percentages are frequently specified by the authors when they mint the NFT. Smart contracts, which are self-executing software programs that implement commercial agreements, also regulate the entire royalties distribution process. As a result, as a creator, you won't have to worry about enforcing your royalty terms or keeping track of payments because the process is totally automatic. 4. Staking the NFT. The ability to stake NFT is among the advantages of the relationship of NFT, as well as decentralized finance, DeFi protocols. Depositing or locking away digital content into a DeFi framework smart contract to start generating a yield is referred to as staking. Although some platforms allow you to use any NFT, others require paying native NFT in an attempt to acquire staking token incentives, which are usually priced in the native utility token of that platform. Some part of the benefits provided to stakeholders is expressed in governance tokens in some situations. These protocols provide token owners voting rights over how their environments grow in the long term. Most of the time, coins obtained through staking NFT can be reinvested into the other yield-generating protocols. 5. Provide liquidity to earn NFT. It is now feasible to contribute liquidity and receive NFT in exchange to build your presence in a specific liquidity pool due to the currently ongoing integration of NFT as well as DeFi infrastructure. Whenever you offer liquidity on Uniswap v3, for instance, the automated market maker, AM, would issue an ERC 721 token, commonly known as LP NFT, which represents your portion of the overall amount locked in the pool. The token pair you placed, the token symbols, as well as the pool's address are also carved into the NFT. You could sell this NFT to immediately liquidate the liquidity pool stake. 6. Adopt yield farming supported by NFT. Buyers could now farm for yields utilizing NFT-powered items, as NFT are quickly becoming such a central element of AMM. Yield farming is a type of combining several DeFi protocols to create the maximum possible yield from your virtual assets. The LP NFT tokens provided as liquidity provider tokens on Uniswap could be used as collateral or staked on some other protocols to generate additional yields. Consider it as a way of earning a yield on the pinnacle of a yield-generating protocol. This potential opens the door to a multi-tiered income generation approach that is appropriate for yield farmers. 7. Earning profits from NFT-based online video games. Online gaming built on NFT technology could well be the evolution of NFT technology. Thus far, neither of the games that use non-fungible tokens have been highly popular. However, the potential for using NFT in video games appears to be enormous. Players are prone to spend lots of money on virtual items. Each of these markets, whether it's World of Warcraft Gold, Call of Duty loot boxes, or Counter-Strike skins, already are hugely profitable. If a large video game business decides to offer in-game things as NFT, it will have a huge influence on both the gaming industry as well as blockchain ecosystems. It is indeed important to note that NFT video game developers are some of the most forward-thinking non-fungible token developers. Therefore, NFT in-game products could help drive non-fungible technology ahead. In-game NFT are significantly more complicated than simple digital trading cards or even more interactive NFT like digital pieces of art. Non-fungible tokens in video games can be extremely complicated, completely interactive, and change over the years, for instance, through being upgraded or leveling up alongside the player's ability. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.